Greetings, Wizard! Welcome to the Papercraft Wizard channel. My name is Kelly, and I'm so excited that you're here. This album was created with the Graphic 45 Warm Wishes paper collection. The album is 8.5 inches by 9 inches with a 3 3/4 inch spine. The spine is covered with Cricut brand faux suede, as well as the belt and buckle mechanism. Here I've used an expandable spine to ensure that the pages will lay flat. The first page here is a gatefold. So I have a 7-inch by 7-inch photo mat, and I've just paper clipped one of the little ephemera journaling cards on there. Throughout the book, I've used Swarovski crystals. And here on this gatefold page, I have 2 waterfalls on each side of the flap. And those just hold quite a few photos. And they're tied together with some cute little ribbon. Also on this page, I've used some of the stickers and ephemera pieces for embellishments. A journaling card here, and this is a little flap. I've used some ribbon to open that up, a spot for a photo, and then more journaling space for this page. Each of the pages have a pullout. And these are photo mats. You can put a number of photos here. I've added some cute little charms and a variety of ribbon. This next page also has a nice photo mat. That is also 7 inches by 7 inches. Here on this flap, there's room to put photos. And then I've just added a variety of the journaling cards. And I've made a couple of little folios throughout the book with the journaling cards. Tiny journaling card there, and some more of those beautiful Swarovski crystals. This page here has a couple of fun functions. So I have a photo mat here that just slides in and out. This is a little magnetic flap that just holds that together. So there's a spot for a photo and more journaling space. More of those cute little crystals. This is also magnetized, and it opens up to this cute little layout that has multiple spots for photos and journaling. Our warm wishes here is a piece of ephemera that I've popped up on some foam tape. This is one of the chipboard pieces with some more little crystals. Another spot for a photo and journaling. Here I've just added some acetate to this ephemera piece, I've added the little tag on here and the little holly and berries. And this just slides out so you can add your photo. And then put that back in there. I've added a few metal embellishments throughout the book and more of the crystals. Another spot for a photo and journaling. And then just a few pieces of the ephemera. Again, every signature has a pullout with plenty of space for additional photos. And a cute little charm and ribbon. This is a fun page, so it's magnetized to keep it closed there. Some more crystals here on the side. And this is a pop-up. I didn't create a tutorial for this album, but if you're interested in seeing a tutorial, please let me know in the comment. So this is what I call a 4-square page. These are each 4x4, as these pages are total 8x8. Plenty of room for the photos there. I've added a chipboard piece with some more crystals. Here's another one of the folios that has a spot for journaling and a spot for a photo. And another one of the large photo mats with a cute little ephemera journaling card attached with a large with a large paper clip. All closed together, and then our closure is magnetic. That just sits right in there. Again, we have another large photo mat here and a cute little charm. All right, and this page is a really fun little double slider. I do have another charm here with some ribbon, a little pull tab. So you open that right up, and if you see, you'll probably barely see, there is a piece of the collection paper there where you can tuck your photo so that it doesn't get hung up in the mechanism. And then just a cute little piece of ephemera and some crystals as well. Our next page is a waterfall page. This is magnetized. I do have some more crystals here. Almost every page has crystals. I just think they're so cute with this book. So for the waterfall, it does, it's magnetized. We pull this down and then just slowly start to pull. See if I can get that in there better. Just slowly start to pull that. And you can see how the waterfall function works. Super fun. I reinforce my waterfall mechanisms with Tyvek to ensure that they don't rip apart, quickly or easily. Again, we have another photo mat pullout with this cute little snowman guy or gal. Either way, cute little snowman and some ribbon. And our next page, super fun. Again, some more crystals and just some of the pieces of the cut aparts in the paper collection. This is magnetized on both sides. So here we just open this up, and then we have 2 accordion photo spots. So you can get actually quite a few pictures into this album. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what you think about the album in the comments. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting!